This is Sue, and she is love. She's very calm. She just wants to be petted. She was formerly with sheep, and she was good with the baby sheep, but then she decided that roaming around was more fun, and the neighbors gave her treats, and she wouldn't stay home with her sheep. She's good with cats and other dogs. She loves people. Come here, Sue. She has these gorgeous gold eyes. Her former owner thought she was maybe 6 years old, but she has absolutely no tartar on her teeth. If we saw her, if we got her from the street, we would guess her to be 3. And she's just precious. Aren't you? You're just precious. Precious. They said she didn't walk on a leash. She's fine on a leash. She wants to go wherever you go. She doesn't pull. She doesn't drag you. Oh, Claudia, do you remember anything else from what I was going to say about Sue?
Nah, that was just positive. Just positive about her. Following you, being by your side.
Come here, Sue. Come here, Sue. Good girl, Sue. Good girl. You really don't even need a leash. She just wants to be with you. Sweet Sue. She likes kids. They did say that about her.
And she lived with a small dog, right?
Yeah, she was fine with small dogs. She really wasn't any trouble. They just couldn't keep her in the fence anymore. She retired from being a sheep herder dog, sheep guardian.